Hi, and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by the Horn King from the Black Cauldron. Now, this is also a collab, which is oddly enough, like my first collab, kinda, unless you count like the three-person review I did in Texas, which in case, okay, yeah, that was my first collab, which, yeah, that honestly was. Sorry, my hair's been bugging me ever since I decided to do this. So this is my first like big collab where it's just like two different artists working together for looks, and I had so much fun doing it. Oh my gosh, my hair keeps getting further and further into my face. Anyway, I am a mess today. Just putting it out there, I am a mess. So this collab is with Justin, aka J Smith Makeup, who is someone I've been talking to as a friend for like the last year, and he's recently started doing a lot of collabs, and I was like, hey, why don't we do one? So we started brainstorming about a month ago. Yeah, about a month ago, and we started to see like what we could do. I suggested that we do like underrated Disney villains, and we thought about it. That sounded good. Then I had to go to Texas. Came back, I've been working, got sick, had my little mini Harry Potter series for the houses, except for Ravenclaw because I already did that one. But now we're here. So now we have that little mini villains thing, and I know this is a long intro and I need to stop talking. But yeah, I am so excited for this. Justin, again, thank you for inspiring me to go out of my comfort zone with this, because if you see his look, it's supposed to be Yzma. I haven't seen it yet because this is Monday I'm filming this, and I know Thursday's when we're putting it up, but I can't wait to see your Yzma, and I can't wait for you guys to see what he's gonna do. I'm gonna have it linked somewhere around here, and yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling so we can get into this video. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my eyebrows, primed and set my lid, and I used Brulee by Wet n Wild because the Blood Sugar palette doesn't really have a shade that I can really use unless I go for like Sugar Cane or Cake Mix, but those are two, I don't know how to describe it, but it's not what I'm looking for. But the first shade I'm going to dip into today is Sugar Cane. Not Sugar Cane, Tongue Pop. I'll be placing that very high into the crease. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to dip into, we're going to dip into Prick. I'm going to take that and place that just below. Okay, now I'm going to take Cherry Soda and place that even lower. Okay, now we're going to take a little bit of Intravenous. I can never say that right. Intravenous, sorry. And start placing that on the outer third slightly into the crease. Now I'm going to take Dynamo by Marc Jacobs and place that all on the lid. Okay, I thought that Oh Daddy, that Oh Dynamo was going to be perfect, but it's not. It's just a little too gray. So instead I'm going to dip into Black Lace by Sephora Collection. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to real quickly do the base for my makeup, and then we're going to come back and do the face because that's going to be the fun part. Okay, and we're back. Oddly enough, this is a foundation I use whenever I want to look lighter. For some reason, it looked darker today. I don't know why. By the way, if I sound weird speaking today, my tongue is slightly swollen, so there's that. Anyway, we're gonna go and start on the face. Yeah, I'm gonna start with using that O Dynamo to start by sketching out where I want the cheekbones to go. And I want to use this gray because it's not black, so it's not going to be as dark, but then I can refill in with black if I need to. Let's see if I try to blend that down real quickly, how it looks. It should work. Here's where it's going to get fun because I know my face is uneven, so I'm going to try to match it up. Okay, this brush is trash. If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Okay, next we're gonna start with these before I go up here as well. Now I'm going to take basically the same shades I used on my eyes to blend out this area. Starting with intravenous and then adding more and more just to define. Now I'm going to take a combo of fresh meat and cherry soda and then use that next. Next is prick. Finally, we're using tongue pop. Okay, so not exactly how I pictured in my mind. Then again, that happens a lot, so we're just going to continue and roll with it, see how we go. So now I'm going to do like these little partial, like half moons. Then I'm then going to fill in again with these same colors. Now we're gonna do the classic little nose thing. I don't know, I might fill it in with all black, we'll see. We're just gonna do that outline first. Okay, so my camera did cut off. We are back. I did just finish with putting a prick on the nose. And now we're gonna go back to the eyes. Actually, you know what, while we're here, let's finish the lips. So I'm going to take a black and run that slightly on the inner portion of the lips. This one's a black glitter. You want to look like death is crawling out from your lips. Now I'm going to take a gloss. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. Now back to the eyes. So I'm just going to take the same colors I used up top and use them down below. Starting with black lace. Now I'm going to run a black in the waterline and we'll see. I honestly, with this, I feel like I don't need lashes, but I might add them on. For the inner corner, I'm going to go with Blood Sugar, which is this nice red metallic. And now I'm going to take just a little bit of sweetener, which is this kind of goldish color, place that on as well. I'm going to be very strategic with highlighter. I'm going to place a very little amount and I'm going to be using the Kevin Kwan. This is the Neo highlighter in Sahara. I'm going to take from this end right here, which is a little bit lighter. Okay, so I feel like this is going to be it. I'm going to real quickly go set my face, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are at the final look, and I love it. I feel like the horns add on a little bit, the hair being a little messy and crazy adds on to it. I just like how this looks, honestly. And I do have to say a big thank you to Justin for deciding to go all out on his. So that way it forced me to go all out on mine, and I love it. And I do have to say, if it was not for him choosing Yzma and then deciding to do all out, I probably would have done Stay With Frollo and would have done just a glam look. And I'm glad I did not, because it pushes me out of my comfort zone. It makes me want to try more stuff like this. So yeah. Aside that, a huge thank you again to Justin, aka J Smith Beauty Makeup. I should remember this. Once again, a huge thank you to J Smith Makeup for making me come out of my comfort zone, doing this collab with me, because it was so much fun. And yeah, I don't know what to say except I need to run because my tongue is killing me. It's slightly swollen, as low as TMI, but whatever. I'm gonna go and have a good rest of my day. I hope you go and have a good rest of yours. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.